What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, and I'm here to give you another episode of the Sunday Sermon. For any of you that are new to the channel, guys, the Sunday Sermon is a complete market overlook for the week, what to expect from macroeconomic data, earnings, any relevant news. Okay, and then we get to the charts, levels, trade plans for the week. Where can we get you, ranges, etc. All right, so thank you for any of the new subscribers, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always comment too. I'm always going to comment back if you have questions, or you want to confirm anything, or you just want to tell me how much you love me. Okay, you can do that as well, because I love you guys all too. Anyway, back to it. Look, guys, this is meant to get your mental right. I don't like to keep this longer than 10 minutes. Sometimes it goes further. I like to talk. I like the way my voice sounds. I don't know. Whatever. I talk a lot. Sometimes my shit's relevant, so maybe it's applicable. I don't know. If you made money, listen to these videos at all, you can comment below, thumbs up, say, hey, listen to him talk. Okay, it's worth it. We'll give you some good shit. All right. But guys, welcome. Good to have you. Now, let's get back to it. Last week, what do we have? Ripper fucking Magoo, how are you? What have I been screaming for all fucking week since the goddamn bottom down here? I've been saying 200 MA. I've been saying it. I've been screaming it. I'm not going to be an I told you so guy. Okay. Do you want to be right or do you want to make money? Okay. Well, I've been buying calls all the way up, so I want to make money. I don't care about being right. Because if it gets to 200 MA, it doesn't matter if it got to 200 MA if you didn't make money on the way up. Okay. Okay. Do you want to be right or do you want to make money? Let's make money. Okay. Let's make money. All right. We rode calls up all the way, baby. We even bought the bottom on Friday. It was fun. Okay. Bought the bottom on Friday. It was fun. Okay. But look, are we going to get there this week? It's very likely. Everything's kind of coming together. But before we get to the charts, let's look at what to expect for this week. Economic data. Okay, this week coming in, New York Fed on Monday, 1 year, 5 year inflation expectation, producer price index, final demand, Tuesday, 8:30 pre-market, guys. That's important. We know we look at CPI, consumer price index. That's the demand side of things. We look at now PPI is the supply side of things. It's important. I don't think it moves the markets 100 fucking handles in 2 minutes like it did on Thursday. Okay, but there's definitely going to be some volatility when this comes out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. 100%. So if you're holding anything overnight from Monday, no, zero or hero. Okay, come Tuesday, it's very possible. Okay, it's very possible. Also on Tuesday, I want to take a peek at real household debt, real mortgage debt, guys. It's important. Rates are raising. Okay, inflation's down a tad. It's great, 7.7. It's not perfect. Okay, but it's down. That's what we need. Fed's hiking the fucking shit out of rates right now, and they're rolling off their goddamn balance sheet. Okay, now you want to see how the consumer is doing. Us, the American people, who it affects every single day. What's that real household debt look like? Okay, because if they're not spending on cash, that means they're spending on credit, and the Fed funds rate keeps on getting raised up. That means the unemployment rate is probably going to follow because companies can't survive with super high rates, so they cut headcount first. That's why unemployment goes up. Simple economic fucking TED talk for you. You're welcome. Okay, it's much more complex than that, but that's the gist of it. Okay, so we want to know all this fucking spending that's still going on. Is it on credit or debit? Meaning, is it cash or is it debt? Is it good debt or bad debt? Okay, only good debt I know is one that pays me if it's an income producing asset. Okay, anything else is bad debt. Okay, anything else is bad debt. All right, so we'll want to take a peek there. Okay, what goes on? Next day, retail sales. This is going to be important. Retail sales. Okay, we're going to understand the debt they go into. Now we're going to understand what the fuck we're spending on. Okay, we got retail sales and excluding the vehicles as well. That'll be interesting. Know that these come pre-market as well. The home builders index I'll be interested in as well. Then Thursday, initial jobless claims, guys. What do we pay attention to? We pay attention to two things. Okay, we pay attention to two things. One of them is jobs. Okay, and the second is inflation. We already got the inflation print next week. Now we have a jobless claims this week. We want to see what goes on in the jobs. Okay, I want to see what goes on in the job. So that's Thursday. It's probably the most important thing outside of the PPI. So Tuesday and Thursday, very important. Also got some more housing market updates here. Building permits, housing starts. Okay, we also have the Fed manufacturing index. Existing home sales the next day, Friday, right? So if you're going to be a home buyer in this dip, which I urge you to if you have the means to do it, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. The Fed is raising rates super high, which makes mortgage rates go up, which hopefully the housing market comes down a tad on price because there's not as much demand for these homes. Okay. Supply of homes is finite. Okay. It stays very finite. Okay. So we will now see who can afford these homes. As a pool of candidates less that can afford a fucking 8% mortgage, or whatever the fuck it is. Okay, so hopefully housing prices come down. Even the Fed chair alluded to that there's going to be some housing market troubles, or drawdown, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so this will be important. So know that Tuesday, right here, PPI, and Thursday, initial job is going to be all important, but everything else in here is important too. You guys should familiarize yourself. Wow, that was a good one, and I am sober, I promised. Okay. But you should oh God, you should become up to date on economic data. Okay, jeez, I'm not even going to try to say that word anymore. Okay, but I want to tell you something to not get caught up. This is my next point, to not get so fucking caught up in the macroeconomics of things. Because if you're so caught up on a bad CPI print, okay, you would have shorted Thursday. You would have went short on Thursday, right here. And then you would have got your ass reamed around. Look, inflation's bad. Rates are high. Companies are laying people off. People are getting fucking fired, right? We're possibly going to war. Fucking TikTok spying on you. I don't fucking know what's happening. But there's not any fucking good news out there. Crypto's on fire, it seems like. FTF guy's sleeping with all of his housewives or whatever the fuck's going on. Okay, and he was 16 billion. Now he's worth none. Whatever. Shit, the world is on fire right now when it comes to macroeconomics. The stock market shouldn't even open. It's so bad. I mean, it should be at zero or negative in that case. There's no good news out there. Okay, yet the market's going up. Play the chart, not your heart. With an explosive move like this, you can't help but not buy the dip. And if you went short as fuck on Thursday going into Friday, you got fucking killed. Stop worrying about the macroeconomics, and if you just play your levels. Guys, I've been calling it all along. 390 is a huge breakout level. We've been calling it all along. Okay, so play the chart, not your heart. That's what I mean when I say that. And I stole that from someone. That's not coined. Okay, whoever said it, if you came up with it, you watch these videos, fucking comment below, I'll give you a credit. Because I use it all the time. Okay, do you want to be right or do you want to make fucking money? That's what I talk about. Oh, I told you the CPI print was gonna be. Did you take calls? I don't care if you fucking called it. Did you make money? Do you want to be right or do you want to make money? Let's make some fucking money. Okay, stop talking about the I fucking told you so guys on fucking Twitter. Oh, doom and gloom and this, that, and the other. Stop fucking listening to them. They will kill you. This is a technical. There's nothing more to this than a technical breakout. That's it. A technical chart breakout. That is it. Not news driven, obviously. So stop worrying so fucking much about the news. It's good to know the news because you need to be fucking informed, first off, and not be a fucking idiot. 99% of our country has no jack shit about anything going on. Okay. You need to be informed. That's great. But you know what understanding macroeconomics does for you? It does this. Right here. Inflation bad, Fed raise rates. Downturn. That's it. We are in a downturn. That's what you need to know. The macro perspective is bear market. Downturn. It's simple. That's it. Other than that, play your fucking levels. Okay, and that's it. And stay the fuck off Twitter. God damn it. Okay, rant over. TED Talk over. Christ's sake. Anyway, I'm sorry. I need to get that off my chest because I just see too many people getting sucked into the fucking whole narrative of market bad. We should be fucking loading puts on every I go, no, just play the chart. You'll know when to buy puts. Matter of fact, when do we buy puts? It's simple. I've been screaming it since 350 fucking 8 or whatever. Right here. You buy it right here at 407, 408. You buy them right there. You buy your fucking puts right there. That's a 200 MA. That's the top of the gap fill. Okay. Anywhere from 407 up to this trend line down, which is going to be about 410. Okay. Probably the top of this candle. Okay. I'll just put a price target on there because I bet it's 410-ish. That's 411. Whatever. Fucking shoot me. All right. I'm screaming on this one, but God, I'm trying to get through to you guys to fucking just throw all your biases out the window and just play what the fuck is in front of you. If you do that, you'll be just fine. Okay. Now, Do we get a day 3 is the question. That's all I care about. If we open up above 398 area, okay, or really above 395-ish area, okay, you can look to see some continuation. It'll be interesting where the futures open at tonight on the Globex Open in about what, 44 minutes from here. Okay, it's 3 o'clock open for me. I'm on the West Coast. Okay, 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time is the Globex Open. Okay, it'll be interesting to see where we open. Okay, and all my futures traders in our chat, I'll be in the futures channel. I'll definitely be playing the Globex Open, trading ES with y'all. All right. Okay. Side note, though. Side note. We trade options, we trade commons, and now we're trading futures. So if you're not in the Wolves of Wealth community, link in the bio. Come on in, join us, make some fucking money. Shameless fucking plug. Okay, back to it. 200 MA is still the goal. It's still the goal. It's still the goal. 200 MA. Whatever comes first. 40, 408, 407. I don't care. Wherever it updates at. Okay. But look, we are going to have this level right here, 403. It's going to be a bitch and a half. 100%. I am short off 403 tomorrow, and I am long 389. That is it. That's my trade plan. Why am I short? Why am I long those levels? It's really easy if you just zoom out. Huge supply. Got it. Okay, huge demand here turns supply. Supply. Is it going to be turned into demand? Is it going to possibly a support resistance flip? I'll want to see. Obviously, I say I long 389, but I need to see a reversal confirmation first. That's just a level of interest where I feel like we could get in to go long. I love to short 400, 399, 400. If we get above that, you're looking at 403. Okay, because this is the previous week's high and the previous day's high, that is a really high probability short, in my opinion. But we'll need to see where the Globex opens. If we sit there and base all fucking night long, like a bull flag, then it's probably going to be a little bit, I will be a little hesitant to take a short there. Why would I also be hesitant to take a short? Because anything short right now is counter trend. Anything short is counter trend right now. Why not wait to buy the dip? If you would have waited to buy the dip on fucking Thursday and Friday, you'd be rich as fucking, I don't know. You'd be rich as shit. Okay. If you were just patient. Okay. Now, we are due for a pullback. Sure. Sure. But that doesn't mean the market can't keep going. We are traders. We are reactors. We are not fortune tellers. We are not predictors. Okay. We react at levels. If we open up slightly below 399, okay, and we get a huge shooting star candle on the first 5-minute candle at the open, that's a short. Okay, that's a short. But if we get a green Hulk Dick Boner candle going up to 400, okay, you don't short that. You don't short strength. You don't get in front of the freight train. Okay, there will be a short opportunity that sets itself up this week. I do believe that. Okay, I do believe that. Okay, but you just have to wait for it. So my levels of interest for this week, okay, are shorting either 399, 400, just depending on the reaction there, or 403. The first knock at the gap never lets you in, ever. That motherfucking door is locked. You got to bang a few more times. Okay, you knock a few. Look, you knock enough times. I say this all the time. Knock enough times, somebody's gonna open the door for you. The first one never lets you in. They don't. So that's why it's a high probability short for me right there. Now, I'm not saying we fucking reverse there and the whole market reverses and we go down to 350 from there. I'm just saying that's a short trade. Just like buying 390 or 389 to me is a definite long opportunity. Okay, but you'll want to see how the market reacts overnight and where we open. Okay, and look, if you're going to be looking for a pullback, I like 389 because it would be a resistance to support flip. Okay, but if you go to your retracement, you can see, look, from Wednesday close. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. Go Wednesday close. And you take it up here. This is the most recent swing. You're looking at 389 is a 38.2 fib level. 50% 386. We know 385 used to be a huge level. So that's another level of interest as well. If we get under 389, we go to 385. I would say that without even seeing the fib retracements. I was going to tell you guys that. Obviously, I've been screaming it all week. It's level to level to level. Okay. But if we don't get a pullback, that big of a pullback, Okay, you could look at this Fibonacci retracement and see, look, this golden zone retracement between 388 and 390, where you would want to see for bullish continuation, is in that area of 389 where we could possibly get the bounce. So that's an area of interest tomorrow, 100%. Okay, 100%. Goal on the week, still 40708 gap fill, 100%. And then it's all kind of, everything's kind of timing up perfectly. You guys see this down trend line? This down trend line is all lining up pretty fucking perfectly, okay, to work out where we get up to about 408 to 410. Okay, do you guys all see this? Okay, so there's more short opportunities coming. Okay, if we break out and up and over this, okay, if we break out and up and over this, we will definitely run a little bit more. Okay, so don't think that just drawing a trend line on a chart means it's going to respect it. Okay, just know that's a point of reference for you to be looking at what to make a trade at that level, right? Because if we get through this trend line, we're definitely going to this huge level of 420, and above there, we're going to 431. Bear market rally, or I'm sorry, bear market over if we get above 431. That's pretty easy to see. Would you agree? Above 431, that kind of kills the downtrend. Okay, this has been a lower high. If we get up and we make a higher high, that means the trend is over. Okay, so just know that. Okay, but we will need, for a sustainable rally, it's healthy to have a pullback. It's very healthy. And we've run 374 to 400 pretty much. Okay, 25 points in 3 trading days. It's been like 6% or some shit like that. I think we're up 1% on Friday. So it's, we're up 5.5 on Thursday. Like insane. Do we cool off? Maybe a lot of RSIs. Possible, but it's possible we just keep on running. 3 billion buy side on Friday at the close. MOC. Okay, so it's possible. We'll want to see what the futures does and where it opens up. Okay. And then we go from there. 400, huge level of interest. 403, then you're on what look what 200 MA is, and then the gap fill is 408. Okay, above 408, trend line 411.12 area. You'll want to be looking there. Okay, those are the upside numbers. Downside numbers, underneath 389, we sell to 385. Under 385, 380. Under 380, bear market rally 100% over. We're going right back into the range. Not good. Bears or bulls do not want sub 380. Okay, because if we don't get the hell back up above 380, they're pretty much done. Under 370, it's over. New lows are coming. I can almost guarantee it. Okay, I can almost guarantee it. Okay, so let me get these levels for you guys real quick. Okay, depending where we open, I'll be looking at a 400 or 403 short, just depending where we open. Okay, price target for the week is 408 to 410. Okay, 200 MA is definitely going to be the magnet. Been screaming it since the bottom. Okay, so look, above 400, 403, 408, 200 MA in there as well, 412, where the trend line is. Okay, underneath 390, 385, 380, 374, 370. Super trend line is 367, probably gets advanced up. Want to see where that opens as well. Okay, 364 in here. Okay, 360, 357, 348, 348. Okay, take a look here, though. What do we have? We've got the 20 green dotted, 20 MA crossing over where? 50. 20 is now at 379. 50 MA purple dotted, 378. We got to cross, ladies and gentlemen. We got to cross. And we got the 8 and 21 EMA. 8 being solid yellow at about 385 right now. 21 EMA be about 380. We've got a nice solid crossover and push higher. We're stretched super far from our MA, so do we come back to them? I want to see where the 5 MA opens up tomorrow. It's currently at 385. It probably goes to 388 tomorrow. Likely. 388, 389. What's our back test level? The 5 MA, where happens to be 389. Is it all kind of lining up? Sure. Do you understand how you're painting the picture now? Okay. Just giving yourself scenarios. If I get to this level, here's what I can do. Okay. All right. Guys, don't forget Tuesday and Thursday, important. Tuesday PPI, Thursday jobless claims. All right. One last time, above 389, 394, 399, 400-ish. Okay. 403, 408, 412. Okay, underneath 390, 385, 383, 74, 370, Super Trend 367. Watch for that updates. 364, 360, 357, 348. Guys, thanks for rocking with me. Hope you have an amazing rest of your weekend. Okay, all my Globex future traders, I'll be with y'all in a moment. And guys, don't forget to always wake up early and to never do anything fucking stupid. I'll see you guys bright and early. Peace.